Hello, teacher. Hello.
Hi. This is teacher Anna from Listen and Speak. Welcome to our English class tonight. How are you? Yunwal?
I'm very good.
That's great. That's very great to hear. I'm happy that you're feeling awesome tonight. Are you ready for our English class, Yunwal?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Let's start our class. Ooh, I know that. Oh, you can do too. Wow, that's so cool. Now let's look here. This is our book for tonight. Last time we talked about what kids do on a rainy day. Here in the story, do you still remember what did they do? Did they go outside
Mm,
in the story? Did they go outside? Did they go to the park or to the pool? What do you think? What did they do?
they do.
It's raining outside. What did Alex and Petra do inside their home?
It's card game. Play the.
Yes, can say they played card games. Can you say it?
They play the card game.
Very good. They played card games. That's nice. How about here? Now it's your time, Yunwo, to do something here, okay?
Okay.
Okay, what do you like to do when it's for example, it's snowy outside. Let's change the weather, okay?
Okay.
So in the story it's rainy, but for it's snowy. It's winter outside. There's a lot of snow and it's cold. What do you like to do when it's winter?
Mm.
Like here, the girl likes, oh look, I'm playing video games. So she likes playing video games. I love video games. I also like cooking. So how about here? It's winter. What do you like to do?
I'm playing. I'm playing mobile games.
Okay, but maybe let's change something. Like you will go outside and it's winter. What do you usually do outside when it's winter?
Outside.
Outside and it's winter, there's a lot of snows. What can you do? What fun thing can you do with snow?
Hmm.
What can you do with snow? What can you play with snow?
Uh,
Again, it's winter outside. You can see a lot of snow. What can you do outside?
uh, uh,
I'm waiting for Yunwo's answer.
outside.
Okay, so it's winter outside, Yunwo. There's a lot of snow. What can you do outside? What fun thing can you do outside?
Okay.
You just need to understand the question. I'll ask you again. It's winter outside. It's snowing. There's a lot of snow. What can you do outside?
Uh, snow fighting.
How do you do
My
that?
God,
You need
I
to complete the sentence.
okay. I'm playing snow fighting.
Snowball fight.
Snowball fight. Snowball or ah fight.
Okay, good job. Now let's go here. We have another line to complete. What do you love to do? Okay, or what do you like to eat when it's winter?
I love hot chocolate.
Oh, you can say, I love hot choco for winter.
I love hot chocolate.
It's O CHOCO.
Ah,
Yes, one more time. Let's say CHOCO.
okay. Hot chocolate. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
teacher, and
Yes, that's correct. In winter.
in winter.
I love hot choco in winter.
I also
I also like. What else do you like to do when it's winter? Aside from playing snowball, what else?
uh teacher chat please.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me see. Oh, okay. So you can say this. I also like sledding.
I want like random.
You can write it down here.
Okay. Ah,
I also like sledding.
I also like
S Ledding. Okay. Now it's
it.
time to draw your answers here, okay?
Okay.
Okay, first you can draw playing with snowball or anything you want to draw from this. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, you can start now.
Okay. Uh, I'm playing snowball fight. I love hot chocolate in winter. I also like sledding.
Okay.
Sledding.
Now it's time to draw.
Wow.
Can you do it?
Yes, teacher. Up, please.
I can't go up. If I go up, the letters will go up too. So just
Okay.
draw here, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
I'm playing. Ah. Oh.
Mm.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's hot chocolate. That's
Yes,
cute. Oh no. Oh, you shouted no, stop when you went
yes,
sledding. Oh no, because sometimes it's very scary because it's very high, right? And
yes.
you'll go down.
Uh,
Thanks for sharing this, Yunwo. I love your sentences and drawings. You did so well. Let me give you some hearts for this. Now we are ready to go to your next activity, okay?
okay,
Okay, so let me let me send you a picture of your drawing, okay?
okay.
Do you want a picture of your drawing? I think Yunwo likes to get a picture of of his drawing.
Ah,
Yes, I'll send it to you, okay?
okay.
Oh no, my face here is so funny. Okay, let me save it for you. You can look at it in the chat, okay?
Okay, okay.
Mm, okay. Can you see it? Oh, it's still sending. Just wait for a second, okay? Okay, there you
Okay.
go. You have it.
Uh, uh, okay.
Can you see it?
Oh, teacher,
Yes.
wait, wait, please.
Oh, okay.
Uh, okay.
Hello?
Yes. Uh,
Are you okay?
teacher. Oh, yes, teacher. I, it- it- uh,
Just
okay,
tell me if you're ready, okay?
okay.
Okay. Are you done?
Okay, this, okay, 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 okay. Okay,
Okay. Are you ready?
okay, yes, yes.
Okay, okay. So let's go to our next activity here. So we'll meet a new chapter, and here our first lesson is actually about winter too. Wow.
Wow.
It's all about the winter sports. Can you say it?
Winter sport.
So here in the picture, we can see a girl and a little girl, I think, or a little boy. Okay?
Yes.
So what are they doing? They are doing something.
Skiing.
They are skiing.
Skiing.
Yes, it's skiing is what you do where you um wear two flat blades on your legs or on your foot, and then you go down a very very high hill covered with snow. So
Yes.
that's skiing. So now let's try this. Can you complete this sentence for me?
Okay. Picture living. A woman and her son are enjoying skiing. They are going down the mountain,
Mountain
mountain,
in
mountain in Canada.
in Canada. Very good. Now let's go here. Oh, it should be mountain. Look, you forgot. I can't see letter A and I here.
Yes. Uh,
Okay, there you go. Mountain in Canada. That's great. Now we are ready to go down here and learn some new words. So we have words here. You need to read it and write it below the picture, okay?
okay.
Okay, let's start. Let's start with the first one.
Skiing.
The first one is ski. Very good. So ski is a winter sport like this. We go down a hill covered with ice or snow using two blades attached to your foot. And you're also using like this poles to help you balance while going down the mountain. Do you want to try this,
No.
Okay,
Yes,
that's
yes,
fine. Yeah.
yes,
I also think this is very scary to do. Teacher
yes.
is also scared. How about here? The next word is
Jump.
jump. What is jump? Hmm,
Jump. Yes.
what is jump? Okay, jump means you're on the ground and you go use your legs to go up. You jump.
Yes.
Yes. Do you know how to jump,
Yes.
I think Yunwo can jump really high. So actually, there's a fun thing with jumping. You use a trampoline. Do you know what's a trampoline? Like the circle
Yes.
thing?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. And it looks like this. Oh no, sorry. It looks like this. And then you can jump here and then you'll go up.
Yes.
Choo, choo. That's fun. Now let's
Yes.
go here. What's the next word we have?
We have mountain.
Mountain. So mountain is a land form, okay? It's a land
Okay.
form. It's a mass of land that goes really high and really tall. So in
Yes.
Korea, do you have a popular mountain in Korea?
Yes.
Do you have a mountain in Korea? What's the name of the
Yes.
mountain?
금강산.
Ooh, is it really tall? Is it pretty?
Yes.
Ooh,
백두산.
wow.
Mm,
Okay. That's
제주.
nice. I hope someday I can visit these mountains too.
Yes.
Yes, how about here? Can you help me, please? We have here the word snowboard.
Snowboard.
What is a snowboard? A snowboard is this one, okay? It's different from skiing, okay? Here we have one, two. We have two blades, right?
Yes.
Here we only have one blade only, and we call this snowboard. Can you say it?
Snowboard.
Snowboard. So skiing and snowboarding, they are different. For skiing, you use two boards, okay? But for
Okay.
snowboarding, you only use one board, Remember that. How about the next word? We have this one. Hmm.
Okay. Play ice. Play ice. Ice hockey.
Hockey. Can you say it? Hockey.
Hockey.
Very good. Play ice hockey. How about here? What's this?
Ice skate.
Ice skate. So actually, most of these are winter sports. Okay? Sports that you can play when it's a winter. So here we have ice hockey. You use a pole here and you have like a circle thing that you need to move until it reaches the goal or the net. It's a
Yeah.
ice hockey. And ice skating, you wear shoes with blades, okay? And then you go move over the ice. So I have a question for Yinwo. What sports do you want to try?
Yeah.
What sport do you like to try?
Everything.
Oh, everything. Ooh, that's cool. But what is your favorite? What's your favorite here?
Here hockey.
Oh, you like hockey. Okay, that's nice. How about we do something here? I have a question for you, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So we're done with these words. Now we are ready to answer activities about it. Let's try this. We have phrases here. I know you already know what to do here. So let's start.
Okay. Go skiing.
Go skiing.
Jump off a high
A high, oh
mountain.
sorry. A high
A
mountain.
mountain. Mountain. Go
Hmm.
snow or
Or it should be BOA.
be
BOA. And then you put R and B. Very good. Snowboarding. How about for number five?
play ice hockey.
Ice hockey. Yes. Oh, it should be HO, not HU.
Okay. Eh, H-O, okay. Oh,
Hockey. HOC. Let me help you, okay?
okay.
HOC.
K-E-Y. Okay. Uh, mm, uh, Ice skate.
Okay. Ice skate. Okay, there you go. Your answers are all correct. That is amazing, Yunwal. Another great work. Now we have here a text about this winter sport, and we call this ice hockey. Okay,
O-
so what is
Okay.
ice hockey, and what do we need to use while playing it? Let's read.
Uh, I hockey player has a helmet, a neck guard, cane,
Knee
pad,
pads.
knee pads, gloves, ice skates, a puck, and a stick.
Okay, there you go. A puck and a stick. That is amazing. So this is how playing hockey looks like. Let's zoom it so you can see it better.
A
So we have here a man. He's wearing what? What's this?
helmet.
He's wearing a helmet. He also have the neck guard here. And what else? He uses the, what's this?
T,
Stick to
E,
move
P,
the puck.
P,
Okay. And he's also wearing
knee
knee
pain,
pads.
knee pain.
Okay. So do you want to learn playing hockey someday? Well, do you want to play hockey?
yes.
Ooh. Okay. So here people need to wear this and able to play the game because the ice is really slippery. Okay. And they need to protect their body because they can fall while playing. They can fall while playing.
Okay.
How about
I
here?
can, I
Let's
can
try
jump.
this, okay?
Okay, I can jump on my skis. I can jump on my skis. I can jump on my skis. I can ride down the mountain fast. I can ride down the mountain fast. I can ride down the mountain fast.
Very good. That's great. So we will do this next meeting, the other, okay, activities because it's already time, okay?
Okay,
So next meeting we will learn about winter sports. Oh, what's this, Yunwo? Is this skiing or snowboarding?
ski.
Yes, because we have two boards. That's amazing. So we will talk about this and answer questions about this as well. Okay, so that's it for tonight. You did an amazing work, you know. Thank you very much because you did so great. Let me give you something. I'll give you this, and maybe I can give you also, this because you did an amazing work. Goodbye for now, Yunwo. Let's see each other again
Thank
next meeting. Bye
you
bye and have a great night.
very
Bye.
much.